You won't believe this. I've been trying to wash and drain and it's not working well. Only for me to, I say, what is blocking water? I've aligned this thing, I did not see. See, water flock here. Not only did water flock there, see. I don't know if you see it. There is a cloth. There's a cloth down there. So the whole engine is submerged. I brought out that first one. See it here. But there was still another thing blocking this thing. I couldn't drain it. So I had to turn it upside down so that the thing will come out. I don't know if you can see it here. See. Oh shit. Focus now. You can't see it, but see it. I don't know if it's socks or singlet or anything. Let me bring it out.